The following is fall 2011 Math 21 Test 2 number 7. Let probability of A is 0.65, probability of B 0.45, and probability of A given B is 0.3. Part A, find the probability of A intersection B. I think what we should do first is to see which one of these informations here relates to probability of A intersection B. Now, if we remember, the formula for probability of A given B is equals to the probability of A intersect B over the probability of B. Okay, now the numerator here is the one we are looking for. This is given, right? That's 0.3, and probability of B also given. So if I can replace both of these here, I can use these two numbers to find the one we are looking for. It's 0.3 times probability of A intersect B over the probability of B, which is 0.45. Now multiply 0.45 to the other side. That's 0.3 times 0.45 equals to the probability of A intersect B. Now when you multiply that, 45 times 3, 15, 135, 3 decimal places. Of course, you can use calculator for that. Okay, so the probability of A intersect B is 0.135. Part B, find the probability of the union. Now, every time you see the probability of union, think of the inclusion-exclusion formula with probability version. In other words, probability, if I write on the formula, probability of A union B equals to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of the overlap or double count or the intersection. Okay, this is the one we try to look for, and we have no probability of A and B from the given. Probability of the intersection is coming from part A. Okay, now in other words, part B is not doable if you cannot do part A. Now let's see if I plug in the numbers. Probability of A union B equals to 0.65 plus 0.45 minus 0.135. That's equals to, if I add them, I get 1.1 minus 0.135. I believe that should give me, if I use my calculator, 1.1 minus 0.135, that's 0.965. That's the probability of A union B. Now this is from fall 2011 Math 21 Test 2 number 7.